Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this trigonometric equation, and then we'll find solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We will let x be equal to our trigonometric function. So we start by saying that x is equal to tangent theta. This gives us x to the fourth minus 13x squared plus 36 is equal to 0. We can factor this in terms of x squared. So we have an x squared here, an x squared here, and we look at factors of 36. So there's 6 and 6, that won't work. There is 9 and 4, that's going to work. So we have an x squared minus 4 and an x squared minus 9. So this gives us x squared minus 4 is equal to 0, and x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. So on the left, we have x squared is 4. That gives us x is equal to, we have to pay attention, we need to make sure that we do a plus minus. So x is going to be plus or minus 2. And then on the right, we have x squared is equal to 9. So we have x is equal to plus or minus 3. Let's now replace x with our tangent theta. So this gives us tangent theta is plus or minus 2 on the left, and tangent theta is plus or minus 3 on the right. We're going to combine these to talk about the quadrants. When tangent theta is positive, our theta is going to be in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. We don't really need to worry about quadrant 3 because tangent is pi periodic, so we can pick up the solution in quadrant 3 from the solution in quadrant 1. When tangent theta is negative, our theta is going to be in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 4. And in a similar way, we don't need to worry about quadrant 4 because we can pick that up from our solution in quadrant 2 since tangent is pi periodic. Let's first look at when theta is in quadrant 1. Our theta is going to be arctan of 2. I've written it here because I know that arctan of 1 is pi over 4, so it has to be between pi over 4 and pi over 2. And then we have theta is equal to arctan of 3. Let's write down below here where we have more room that arctan of 2, when we plug it in our calculator in radian mode, is 1.1071, and our arctan of 3 is approximately 1.2490. Now let's talk about theta being in quadrant 2. This is when theta is negative. Let's remind ourselves that our theta sub r, reference angle in our first quadrant, is arctan of 2, and we have theta sub r arctan of 3. For this solution right here, theta is going to be pi minus arctan of 3. We're kind of a little squished here. And for this solution, theta is going to be pi minus arctan of 2. We'll write down here that pi minus arctan of 2 is approximately 2.0345, and then pi minus arctan of 3 is approximately 1.8926. Let's now summarize our solutions. Theta is going to be 1.1071 plus n pi, and then it's going to equal 1 0.2490 plus n pi. Between 0 and 2 pi, we're going to have 4 solutions, and those solutions are going to be 1.1071, 1.2490, and then adding pi to both of those gives us 4.2487, and then lastly, 4.3906. For our solutions from quadrant 2, theta is going to be equal to 1.8926 plus n pi, and then 2.0345 plus n pi. And our 4 values will then be 1.8926, 2.0345, and I'm going to put the other 2 up here. They're going to be adding pi to both of those values, and that gives us 5.0342 and 5.1761. That was a hard problem, but we did it.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.